Morning, everybody. It is, oh, it went up. It's getting warm out. It was 2 degrees out there a few minutes ago. Actually, it was 1 point something a little while ago. Pretty cold today. It's a big change from the 50 degrees we had the other day. I put all my computers on a rack for now, and I'm installing updates and drivers, and we're pretty much done with this. I could not find my network cable, so for now I just set them up here, and as soon as I find my network cable, they're going in the bedroom where they belong. But at least now it's all nice and neat, all in one place. I built the frames and I built the rack myself, and I'm pleased with it. I'm very pleased with how it looks now. And yeah, well, it's nice and neat, and it's definitely a conversation piece in the living room. So I'm going to be expanding these with time as finances allow and availability of the parts, because right now everything's not available. They're all sold out. Anyway, that's it for that. That's what I'm doing, and I'll leave it at that for now. Hey guys, I have a letter here, or a package, that I didn't realize was here. It says Princess on board. I don't know how we missed this, but somebody sent us this from, well, I'm not sure. I can't quite see it. There's no return address, but it's airmail, and it looks like a British colony. So there's somebody sent us this, and I'm not sure when we got it. It got mixed in somehow, and I just found it in our mail. So Princess on board, that's going to have to go in the car. So whoever sent this, thank you, and we'll get that out in the car. We got our little Michelle, our little princess on the homestead. So I hope you see this video, and we'll get that out there. Thank you. Hey everybody, we are in Petoskey, Michigan, and there are sand dunes. Not much, these are small, but there is a place called Sleeping Bear Sand Dunes. So I think it's Sleeping Bear State Park, Sleeping Bear Sand Dunes. And there's a baby down in there somewhere. Melanie and the baby. So Melanie did a brief intro a minute ago on the way here. We were driving through a beautiful little town, and we wanted to come down and get a view of the lake before going in, if it's not too cold for us. With Melanie and the baby, it might be very, very brief, but it's definitely beautiful here. In summer you could drive down to the beach, but it's all closed off right now. When we left home it was sunny. Looks like we better leave soon because there's a bad storm. See that over there, Melanie? What? There's a snowstorm brewing up over the lake. Oh, I didn't see that. Yeah, that's a snowstorm coming. Yeah, we'll go down and we'll have a look at the water, and then we'll come back. But it's beautiful though. I don't know why the lack of color can be so beautiful. So we'll see you out there at the water. Be right back. Well, this is going to be amazing in summer. There's a little shack there with picnic tables. Ooh, I'm on ice. And it's going to get windy, so you won't hear a word I say in a minute here. Oh, there's people out there fishing. Maybe. Skiing? It's cold. Really, really cold. Wow, that's actually mountains of frozen ice. There's mountains of ice out here. I don't know how long I can bear it because I already have a headache from the cold. It's brutally cold. By the way, Petoskey, Michigan is known for the Petoskey fossils, and I figured right now would be the time to look for them.
I think that might be one. It's hard to see when they're not wet, but it's a state stone, and this is a famous place for them. So I might briefly look for some fossils while I'm here. Now I figure in the winter, in this brutal weather, that's a cute little piece of wood, would be the best opportunity to look for the stones with reduced competition, because it's so cold. But for all I know, probably 5 million other people had the same idea already. So wow, it's cold. Look at that, it's a frozen wave. Frozen in time. How weird. Oh, this is weird. It's like an alien landscape. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Okay, it's worth freezing for a minute. Oh, look at that. Ooh, it's slippery. Look at that, people. It's so cool. Oh, it's so brutally cold. Look at that. It's like an alien landscape. It gets even higher out there. This is actually, if I stood there, it'll be above my head from here to here. It's quite a drop right there. Look at the waves of frozen, just waves of ice layered. Wow. Look, it's crevices. It's broken off. Must be careful, I don't have winter boots. I'm on almost like an iceberg. I guess you could call it an iceberg in a way. Miniature. See it broken off. Wow. I'll have to come back sometime better dressed for the occasion. Alright guys, I'm gonna get back. Well, this is Petoskey, Michigan. I want to look for some stones. If I find something, I'll show you. Talk to you guys later. And right now, actually, let me back up a minute. We're at beautiful downtown. This is the walkway. I'll show you around behind. I wanted to show you the clock tower where Melanie is standing. And, oh, scared me. There's downtown. And now you know what time it is. Did you jump? I know, I did not see that coming. Poor Melanie was right under it. You coming? Or are you scared to go anymore? I got my glove off so I can hold the phone. It's really cold. There's people fishing over on the pier. They got bubbles going, so it keeps the water from freezing down there. And there's water. Hey everybody, got a package from ThruNite, one of my favorite companies. Got something new here from ThruNite, and got a box for the cats to play with. There you go, cats. What do we got here? This is the ThruNite
TC20 3800. So let's see what this is here inside. Solid feeling, really heavy. So it's the ThruNite TC20. There we have a very comfortable feeling light. One massive LED. Probably got, yep, it's got the typical seal. I'll be right back. I'm going to take out the seal from the protector from the battery. A massive, massive battery. 5,000 milliamp hour. What is that? 3.7 volts. What is that? A 26,650. Sorry, I'm trying to read that. Heavy duty battery. Felix, hey, do you like the box? Felix is in the box. By the way, people have been wondering where Felix is. Sometimes he's a bit funny. So, let's see what we got here. Nope, I might have to charge it. Well, I'm anxious to see what this thing can do. So we've got a little handbook, and we've got a accessory kit with the typical seals and a lanyard and replacement gaskets. And we have a charging cable. So there's a USB charging port. I like that. Very nice. I'll get this right on the charger. I do like USB rechargeable. And then there's a sheath. Let's see. Nice quality sheath with a lanyard so you can hang it on your pack. I like that. Alright, well, I'm going to get this thing on the charger and see what this thing can do. Let's briefly look at the handbook and see what we got here. I'll be right back. I'm going to open this up. So this is a 3800 lumen flashlight. So I'm going to get this on the charger, and we'll be trying this out in the next days here, and we'll let you know how it goes. The ThruNite TC20. Another awesome product from ThruNite. You can tell by the feel of their lights and the packing and all the accessories. They're really good stuff. Alright guys, that's it. I'm going to get this video out to you guys. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project.